Hi there! Today we will work on a task that involves determining the perimeter of a rectangle. If we label the width of the rectangle as B and the length as A, and as stated in the problem, it mentions that the length is more than 5 and the width is over 3. Then we need to find out what the perimeter of our rectangle is going to be. What will we do in this case? To determine the perimeter of a rectangle, we will utilize the formula. But in our calculations, we knew the specific values for length and width. Yet in our case, the length is above 5, while the width is more than 3. But despite the fact that the conditions are given as inequalities, we can still find the perimeter value. To address this problem, we will first review the formula for determining the perimeter. The formula for calculating the perimeter of a rectangle is the sum of the length and width multiplied by 2. So, to determine the perimeter value, we should calculate the sum of the length and width, and then multiply this sum by 2. Thus, as a result, we use the rule for calculating the sum. Let's pay attention to the fact that both signs are greater than. So, in this case, we can find the sum of length and width. We will add A and B, then add 3 to 5. Then the sum of length and width must be greater than 8. But this is not yet the perimeter. To find the perimeter, we should double this inequality. In this case, we apply our rule. When multiplying both sides by a positive number, the inequality sign remains unchanged. As a result, we will have a plus b times 2 is greater than 8 times 2. We can see that on the left side, a plus b times 2, this value is more than 16. But a plus b times 2 is the perimeter of our rectangle. Thus, we can conclude that the perimeter of our rectangle exceeds 16. Should the length of the rectangle be more than 5 and its width more than 3, consequently, the perimeter of our rectangle will exceed 16. We apply the addition and multiplication rules of inequalities to tackle such problems. Next time we will solve another problem. For now, our lesson is over. Goodbye.